Hey guys, what's up? And welcome back to the channel JKWall035. And we are back with the series of book reading, The Psychology of Money. The Psychology of Money. So, today's episode 9. So, the topic is Man in the Car Paradox. No one is impressed with your possession as much as you are. So let's read. This is a shortest episode, only one page. This topic. So the best part of being a wallet is getting to drive some of the coolest car to ever touch pav- pavement. Guests come in driving Ferraris, Lamborghinis, Rolls Royce, the whole are astrocotic field. It was my dream to have one of these cars of my own because I thought they sent such a strong signal to others that you made it. You are smart. You are rich. You have taste. You are important. Look at me. The irony is that I rarely, if ever, looked at them. The drivers, when you see someone driving a nice car, you rarely think, wow, the guy driving that car is cool. Instead, you think, wow, if I had that car, people would think I am cool. Subconscious or not, this is how people think. There is a paradox here. People tend to want wealth to signal to others that they should be liked and admired. But in reality, those other people often bypass admiring you not because they don't think wealth is admirable, but because they use your wealth as a benchmark for their own desire to be linked and admired. The letter I wrote after my son was born said, you might think you want an expensive car, a fancy watch, and a huge house, but I am telling you, you don't want. You want is respect and admiration from other people, and you think having expensive stuff will bring it. It almost never does, especially from the people you want to respect and admire you. I learned that as a wallet when I began thinking about all the people driving up the hotel in their Ferraris, watching me guac. People must guac everywhere they want, and I am sure they loved it. I am sure they felt admired. But did they know I did not care about them or even notice them? Did did they know I was only walking at the car and imagining myself in the driver's seat? Did they buy a Ferrari thinking it would bring them admiration without realization that I and likely most other who are impressed with the car didn't actually give them the driver a moment's thought? Those this same idea apply to those living in big houses homes almost certainly jewelry and clothes. Yep. My point here is not to abandon the pursuit of wealth or even fancy cars. I like both. It's a suitable recognition that people generally aspire to be respected and admired by others, and using money to buy fancy things may bring less of it than you imagine if respect and admiration are your goal. Be careful how you seek it. Humanity, kindness, and empathy. So, kindness and empathy will bring you more respect than horsepower ever will. We are not done. Taking about Ferrari is another story about the paradox of the fast cars in the next chapter. So this is a chapter today's short and sweet. So we will meet in another chapter. Wealth is what you don't see. Spending money to show people how much money you have is the fastest way to have less money. So we will read this chapter in next episode. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you like my book reading series, please give a like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel of JK World 035. So bye bye guys. See you. So you also read this book. It is so fantastic book. I love it. So bye bye. Take care.